Call is now being recorded.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So, today we will continue with our lesson, Chapter 3, Coordination and Response. So, last week we have done to Homeostasis, Part 1. And today we will continue with Learning Standard. Explain, for example, the system involved with homeostasis in humans and animals. Actually, humans we covered already. So, today animals. And Learning Standard 3.1.3, explain with example the system involved with homeostasis in humans and animals. Oh, sorry, not humans and animals, but plants. This is wrong. Okay, so it's okay. We refer to the textbook here. Okay, so we want to learn about homeostasis in animals and homeostasis in plants. Two things. Okay, we start with homeostasis in animals. Okay, start from here. Homeostasis also occurs in animals. Animals like cats and dogs do not have sweat glands except on their sole. Sweat ni peluh, sweat glands kelenjar peluh. Sole tapak kaki. How do they maintain homeostasis during change in surrounding temperature? Okay, this is a cat. This is also a cat and this is dog. So this cat says here, I lick my fur. Dia jilat bulu dia to reduce my body temperature, untuk mengurangkan suhu badan lah, untuk bagi sejuk badan. Okay. This dog, I hang my tongue. Dia jeli lidah, dia keluarkan lidah dia. I hang my tongue out so that the temperature decrease. So bila dia keluarkan lidah tu, suhu badan dia akan menurun lah. Okay. And then the third picture here, my fur stands erect when it is cold to trap heat. Dia punya bulu kucing tu waktu sejuk dia akan naik lah, berdiri untuk memerangkap haba supaya badan dia lebih panas. Okay, so next, how do reptiles such as lizards maintain homeostasis towards change in surrounding temperature? So this one we have two surrounding. We have first cold surrounding, second hot surrounding. So this is an example of lizard. Okay. So photograph 3.5, lizards regulate body temperature when the surrounding temperature change. So in cold surrounding, body activities become slower, menjadi lebih perlahan. Okay. Muscles, otot, muscles function more slowly. Movements become slower. Metabolism rate decreases. Body temperature decrease. So actually in cold surrounding, everything becomes slower and the temperature is decreased. Okay. Hot surrounding, panas. The heart beats faster. Movements become faster. Metabolism rate increase. Body temperature increase. So this is for lizard. Okay. Next, how do snails, this is snails, siput, and bees, lebah, maintain homeostasis towards the increase in surrounding temperature? So in snail, loses a lot of water through evaporation on skin surface. Kat skin surface ni, water evaporate, menyejat. Okay. So produce fluid and looks for humid places to reduce water loss. So dia mengeluarkan cecair dari badan dia, and dia selalu berada di tempat yang lembap lah, to reduce water loss. Okay, so in bees, bees has waxy skin layer. Waxy tu macam berlilin. Okay, and loss of water vapor occurs through its spiracles. Water vapor ni wap air, occurs through its spiracles. Okay, closer spiracles between two breathing movements to reduce water loss. Okay, here we have brain teaser. How does homeostasis occur in the body of snakes and polar bears? Snake kalau if we touch the snake, kalau kita pegang snake, dia rasa sejuk. Polar bears are in a freezing temperature. Dia duduk dekat tempat ais, like in Arctic, very cold place. Okay, so how snakes and polar bears the homeostasis? So we open this one. I'll show you. This one for snakes, snakes and other ectotherms, animal. Okay, so in homeostasis also we call this one thermoregulation. Is the process of regulating body temperature, which is a major part of homeostasis. Okay, snakes and other ectotherms, are cold-blooded, haiwan berdarah sejuk animals, that lack the ability to generate body heat internally. They cannot generate body heat internally. Okay. Also known as poikilotherms. These animals must rely entirely on external sources to regulate their body temperature, both to stay warm and to avoid becoming overheated. So snakes depend on surrounding, like lizard. Okay, so snakes, snakes are most active during the day, using the sun's rays to warm their bodies as they hunt for food or simply bask in the sunlight. The heat of the sun speeds up the metabolism, giving them energy and helping them to digest their food. They will also hide in shady spot. Shady, shady tu bayang, tempat yang terlindung. Okay. Or burrow underground, ada lubang bawah tanah, during the hottest part of the day to avoid overheating. Waktu panas sangat, dia akan berlindung. Okay. Snakes usually spend cold weather months underground in a state of hibernation, during which their metabolism becomes very slow, allowing them to sleep for weeks without food. So kalau musim sejuk, dia orang boleh hibernate, tidur dalam tempoh masa yang sangat lama, maybe weeks or months, without food, tanpa makan. Okay. So that is for snakes. How about polar bear? Polar bear. This is example of polar bear, white color. So polar bear have a very thick skin. We focus on this one. Okay. This is on the skin of the polar bear. So this one, this is the hollow transparent hair, the bulu, yang tebal. So takes on water when swimming, acting like a wet suit, macam satu suit yang basah. Also directs UV light down to the black skin. Okay, and then white woolly fur. This one, white woolly fur, traps heat close to the body. Dark skin. This one, this is the dark skin. Maximize the absorption of solar radiation. And then fat layer. 11 centimeter fat layer. This one, have 11 centimeter fat layer. Okay, insulates bear from low temperatures. Okay, so that is how snakes and polar bear regulate their body temperature. Okay, so now we continue. Implants, homeostasis implants. I'll make it bigger. Okay, so observe the plant condition during different times in a day. Plants need sufficient water to prevent them from withering, layu, and die. Okay. How do plants regulate water content during hot and cold days? Water from plants are lost through a process known as transpiration. During transpiration, plants lose water from leaves in the form of water vapor to the surrounding through the stoma. I'll show you what stoma next. This involves the transport system in plants. Okay, this is a picture. Okay, I'll make it bigger. So this is the plants. In this case, this one banana tree. Okay, so in afternoon, this one in the evening. Okay, so in afternoon, banana tree leaves roll up. Dia bergulung sedikit daun dia. Okay, in the afternoon to avoid excessive water loss. But in the evening, like this. Okay. Next. Transpiration helps plants to absorb and carry water and minerals from the soil to all parts of the plant. Evaporation of water from the leaves, leaves down, cools the plant during hot days. Okay, so this one, you can see the diagram. Okay, so this is root, akar pokok. So in this roots here, this one, the larger image. of this root. Okay, so this is the root has water in soil. Soil itu tanah, air dalam tanah. Goes inside the root hairs, goes inside the plant here, and then going up here. Okay, you can see example here, water going up. Okay, and this water will go to leaves. Will go to leaves. So in this part of leaves, the water vapor come out from the stoma, from the stoma. Okay. So if we read here, roots of plants absorb water and minerals from soil, from this diagram. This is number one. Okay, number two, from the leaf here. From the leaf here. Transpiration on leaves produce force that draws water from the stems of plants. Okay. So almost 90% of water absorbed by the roots of plant is lost through transpiration. Only 10% absorbed to the leaves and the parts. Okay. So stoma. So what is stoma? Stoma is gut cells control the opening and closing of stoma. During the day, stoma opens to enable exchange of gas. At the same time, water vapor will be lost from the leaves, and this will increase the rate of water intake by the roots. So this is during the day. This is stoma. This is stoma on the leaves here. This one, this is the leaf. Stoma very small actually, very small. Okay. So during the day, stoma opens. This one opens to enable more water to be evaporated. Evaporated itu tersejat, kering. Okay, from the leaves through transpiration. So this is the diagram. This is what we call as gut cell. This is stoma. Open stoma. This one open. Okay. When the temperature is too high, bila keadaan sangat panas. Okay. So you see the leaves different from the first diagram. Different. See, tak sama. Okay. This one, the leaves is rolled up. Dia tutup sikit. Okay. So if we see the stoma, this one, the whole of the stoma here close. Not like this one. Not like this one. Okay. So this is during the hot day, when the temperature is too high, stoma closes to reduce water evaporated from the leaves through transpiration. Okay. See, this one closed stoma, ditutup lubang. Okay. Next. Okay, so this is the last part of chapter 3. Importance of homeostasis to humans and living things. Homeostasis in human body and living things is to provide the optimum conditions in the so carry out metabolism activities efficiently. All chemical reactions in living cells are controlled by enzymes that are sensitive to surrounding change. Change in temperature will influence the enzyme activities. Okay. We should be grateful, bersyukur, kita sepatutnya bersyukur that homeostasis enables the internal environment of our body to be regulated, dikawal, and maintained in a balanced and stable condition. Okay. Imagine our life without homeostasis. What would happen if the temperature in our body or other living things continue to increase or decrease? What will happen if the water content in our body or other living things is lost without control? So if our body, the temperature going high and going up and very high, and we cannot control, and the body cannot control, we have a fever. And if the fever is too high, we could die. Okay. So, like this boy, my body temperature has not gone down yet, the demam, fever. Okay. Ouch, my body is getting warmer. And lastly, this flower will die. Okay. So, we finish on chapter 3. So, I will stop this recording. Thank you.